Oh my gosh, guys, look. Look at this girl. She living like one of the family members. Sleeping with the little blanket on her head. And look at this. Let me teleport. She didn't even finish her plate. She only ate half of her food and didn't even finish her plate. Like, come on now, bro. If you want anything else that I should do to my cat, like probably make her put on some clothes or little socks, comment down below or put a like. I need likes, okay, guys? Bye.